Oh my god, look on them kids. They're really cute, you know? They're really cute. Okay. You see, look at that one here. Let me see. This? That one here. Oh, this is so damn cute.
Everything
And it's so light. Yeah.
Handmade, and it has a Cancun.
Shoes there. 200 peso. That is like peso. Can't even call. That's 200 peso. 400 peso at $25. 25 US. So 200 peso, $14.50. Then something I mean not like. Then weird are sitting here, now buy them sitting. Let me have an ashtray. Yeah. Oh, these are so nice. Let me buy them here. Buy one of this to me and one of him Max. Oh, these things? Five for 400 pesos. So 500 little bracelet, yeah. I feel 25 US. The cup here look nice, but I could I get this cup instead? What it say? Oh wow, 300. That at 300. I mean it nice. I'm not gonna take that one there. Looking at it, so cute. So oh, these are key rings. All of them are key rings. These are really touristy people. Maybe have some bracelets, something. Buy two get 30% off. They're so nice. Oh my gosh. They're cute handmade. Something them here now. I buy one wallet for Max.